Did Kim Kardashian just get dumped by Lewis Hamilton right after their most romantic moment went viral? What looked like a perfect beach romance may have ended in a sudden fallout, and the internet is losing its mind trying to figure out that really happened. Welcome back to channel where we break down the biggest celebrity stories with all the drama facts and hidden angles you won't hear anywhere else. It all started with those now viral beach photos, Kim Kardashian and Lewis Hamilton together on a Malibu beach, surfing, laughing, walking along with the shore like something straight out of a movie. The chemistry looked real, not staged, not forced, just two global icons completely in the moment. Fans instantly went wild. Social media exploded with edits, theories, and one big question. Because let's be honest, this was not a pairing. A reality TV mogul and a Formula One legend, that is not just unexpected, that is headlines gold. But here is where things take a turn. After that dreamy beach outing, reports say the two headed to a nearby beach club. And that is when everything changed. According to insiders, that started as a normal outing turned into a heated argument. No one knows exactly what was said, but the ending was clear. Kim Kardashian reportedly left the venue alone. No joint exit, no smiles, and no damage control, just silence. And in the world of celebrities, silence is never just silence, it is a statement. Now, here is the interesting part. This did not come out of nowhere. For months, both Kim and Lewis had been moving in the same circle. Fashion events, elite parties, exclusive gatherings, you name it. There were subtle hints, some cities, some had timelines, private entries, locked cases, sightings. Nothing confirmed, but enough to make people curious. Then suddenly, boom! Public appearances, viral moments, golden attentions. It felt less like a coincidence and more like a so built to something bigger. And once they were seen together publicly, everything changed. Every move became a headline and every interaction became a clue. Fans started analyzing everything, body language, outfits, even the way they looked at each other. Some called it genuine chemistry, others called it a perfectly executed PR move. Because when the two global icons connect, it does not just stay personal, it becomes a brand, a narrative, a story the whole world follows. And of course, the internet had opinions. Some fans were convinced this was the start of the biggest celebrity couple of the year. Others were not buying it at all. There were debates, theories, even wild claims from influencers saying they had inside information. From this is real love to this is strategic publicity, the conversation quickly turned into chaos. So now the big question remains, what actually happened? Was it a real connection that ended too quickly, a misunderstanding that escalated in private? Or was this entire story something bigger, something controlled? Because here is the truth, there is no official confirmation, no statement, no closure, just a viral moment and a sudden exit. And maybe that is why this story is still trending. Because in the world where everything is posted, shared, and confirmed instantly, a little mystery is what keeps people watching. So, what do you think? Was this is a real breakup or just another perfectly timed celebrity plot twist?